String repetition. Star operator is used for repeating strings any number of times as required. Str underscore rep equal to star within double quotes. Star without double quotes 10. Next line print of str underscore rep. Let's run it. See the output. It printed 10 stars. Let's see another example. String equal to Python within double quotes. strrep equal to inside parenthesis within double quotes star space again star without double quotes 3 plus string plus inside parenthesis within double quotes space star without double quotes 3. Next line is print of str underscore rep. Let's run it. See the output 3 stars in between spaces and Python and again 3 stars in between spaces